Hello, I am Chef Carol, NYC, and I teach low carb, keto friendly, step-by-step cooking. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay around and subscribe, and if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Today is April 2nd. On March 2nd, I relaunched my Cake Artistry Club on YouTube as a keto-friendly, low-carb site. During that month, I've had many questions regarding what exactly is a keto-friendly lifestyle. I hope to make a video like this monthly based on questions that I've received over that past month and maybe offer a few answers of my experience. So the first question is, what exactly is a keto-friendly lifestyle? One of the things I say to people is that it is indeed a lifestyle and not a diet. A diet suggests something that you do for a little while and then you move on to something else. A lifestyle is something that you adopt and then you continue for the rest of your life if you find that it works for you. In the keto-friendly lifestyle, we have to rethink the way we think of the foods that we eat. For so many years, we have been told that if we want to lose weight, we have to eat low fat, no fat, reduced fat. And what we're not told is that when all of those reductions are made in food, it's actually replaced with sugar in order to enhance the taste and to encourage us to continue to eat those things. You've heard me say sugar is the devil. So if we're eating reduced fat, no fat, and low fat, replacing it with sugar, how indeed are we helping our physical being? The keto lifestyle actually encourages the use of fat. And generally, when I say that to people, they get slightly appalled. I'm not going to eat meat fat, they say. Fat comes in so many different forms. Fat can be the type of nuts that we eat. It could be found in certain types of proteins, and it can be found in cheeses. It doesn't mean that you sit down with a 1-pound plate of animal fat that you've heated up and then start to eat it. That is definitely not what good fat is. Good fat is what we use in our keto lifestyle, and it is encouraged to have a daily consumption of a minimum amount of fat in our diets. If you're planning to do the keto lifestyle because you find some benefits for you, I suggest that unless you decide to undertake the full benefits, don't really do it piecemeal because it will cause you to fail. And I'm sure, like me, if you decide to pursue something, you want to start with the fact that failure is not an option. You definitely want to succeed. And if you want to succeed in this, you need to really rethink how you feel about the past information we have been trained to believe. You can't incorporate both. You can't do low fat, no fat, reduced fat, but then still eat the regular keto food requirements that contain fat, because your body won't know how to process it. Your brain won't know what to do with all these substances coming through it. You'll find that you're not succeeding. I want you to succeed. Do a little research. Find out what the proper fats are. And first of all, before you start any program, consult your physician. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope to see you back here next month. And next month, I think we're going to discuss the food pyramid. Take care. See you soon.